day is going to change a lot of things.
We came to wrong location. That's a huge line. All ready to crush COVID, this shitty COVID-19.
I'm getting vaccinated 13 days early.
Congratulations, Saranj.
Woo! How are you feeling?
My eyes are very heavy right now.
And also don't forget to watch the video till the end because I will be sharing my experience of getting vaccinated, the good and the bad, and also the after effects. Yes, it's not 31st May today. I know it. It's 17th May, but I'm still getting vaccinated 13 days early, and I'm only able to do this because of Vaccine Hunters. So big thank you to them. So you must be wondering what Vaccine Hunters is. So if you're in Canada, you probably know it. If you're not, then let me give you a background. So Vaccine Hunters is a community that's there on social media. So they have their Twitter account as well as they're on Facebook, and it's a community on social media that's formed to help Canadians find vaccinations. So they keep updating on their social media if there are any vaccinations available nearby. So last night, Saranj actually found one in North York, and our postal code falls in that. So
It's a hospital, so we'll be going to a hospital and it's like 10 kilometers away from our place, so it'll take us 1 hour to reach there.
yes, and what's it called?
Humber River Hospital.
Although it's like an hour away from where we live, but I think it's worth it. We'll get vaccination early, so it's all good. By the way, we don't know if we'll get it. We'll still try because we don't have an appointment or anything. As you guys know, we scheduled an appointment for May 31st. It was May 31st for me and
June 1st for me.
June 1st for Saranj. And just last night, Saranj got an update, and let's try if we get vaccination.
We want to go early
Right.
so that we don't have to wait in the line.
Yeah. And before that, we are just having a breakfast. I'm having iced coffee because it's summers now. It's 15 degrees outside, and also
Leftovers.
pizza. Yes, pizza in the morning.
The reason is that we don't have eggs at home.
Yeah. Story of a life. No eggs in the morning. Yeah, that doesn't happen often, but yeah. Rare case scenario today. But obviously you need to eat something before you get vaccinated. So I'm just going to have this one slice of pizza and enjoy my coffee.
Plan is that there won't be any queue on Monday because it's a weekday. Most of the people are working. And I've taken a half day off.
That's what we're assuming, that there won't be any lineups because of Monday. It's a Monday morning. But you never know. So for identification, we need our OHIP cards, our passport, electricity bill just to prove that we stay in this postal code, and that's it. Saranj, by the way, don't you think we should do our vaccination separately on separate days? Because what if I know there are no adverse effects, nothing, vaccination is all safe, but I've heard like people do get feverish or body aches after that, and we both are just alone. So
I think we should be fine because we're going like 1 hour away. There's no point in going again and again.
I was okay like if Saranj gets it first and then maybe I can get it later.
Just be strong.
Yeah, I think it should be okay. Let's not worry about it, and because it's a happy day, this day is going to change a lot of things, hopefully. But yeah, we can only do our part. Let's go.
I spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it over like
We have to change so many buses, and now we are taking another bus at the Yorkdale bus terminal. This is such a new place for us, and we are not able to figure out where to take the bus from. We have to take this one, and I think it's here. Saranj, it should be that one, yeah. Let's go.
It's a double-decker bus.
Yeah.
what's to say. I can live my life.
So that's the Humber River Hospital and we've reached here. Let's see if we get the vaccination. Because obviously we don't have an appointment, but hopefully we should get it.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Shit. We just came here because of Saranj's little mistake. Because he didn't check the address properly. Although the address is good, it says Humber River Hospital, but their Covax clinic, especially that clinic, has moved to a new location. And Saranj forgot to put the exact same address. He just searched for Humber River Hospital on Google Maps and we came to a wrong location.
But I keep asking for permission.
Now we should be there.
Oh, I keep asking for permission.
Oh, Saranj, that's a huge line.
Yeah.
There is a huge line. Look at this.
When I can't
We at least made it here. And yeah, it's a long queue. Probably should take an hour.
More than
Or
an hour, for sure.
Let's see.
Whenever you're down,
All
out
set?
in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand.
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
I know a place where we can be free. There is
Thank
a
you.
light shining for you,
Thank you.
guiding you.
So I see Peekapoo coming from the vaccination center. I came 15 minutes early. Waiting for her now. She's here. Woo! Finally vaccinated.
Got vaccinated here.
Yay! Got the shot.
Yes. Congratulations, Saranj. You're finally Pfizered.
Hurting.
Yeah, be careful. You're finally Pfizered up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the Pfizer vaccination here.
And we are Pfizered up.
Yes.
And also fired up now.
Yes, all ready to crush COVID, this shitty COVID-19. And they've given us the receipt and it says my next appointment is on September 6th.
Mine is September 11th.
Oh, okay. And they give us chocolates as well.
So sweet. So nice of them.
I can't contain my happiness. We are vaccinated. Got our first dose.
There you go.
First dose
All done.
done. We were just going home, but then I just saw a Walmart there. Let's just have a look because there's no Walmart near to our place. And I just want to check out the international section.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get something Indian that we don't get at the other grocery stores.
Right. We ran out of rice as well.
Rice, Maggi, fruity.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get all of that here. Let's check it out. Still need to sanitize.
Yes.
This is a huge store because obviously now we are not in downtown. When you go out of downtown, all these grocery stores are huge.
Peekapoo, we need
Yeah.
to we need to buy bin bags
Take it then.
because I'm the one who usually throws the bin bags outside.
That's why he has a track of it. Saranj's favorite again.
Guess what? Paneer it is.
Oat milk as well. This will be the first time I'll be trying oat milk, by the way. Let's take the creamer as well. Let's take hazelnut. I was looking for vanilla, but
How do you use this?
on top of the coffee just for flavor.
Oh,
And I'll be
okay.
making a lot of iced coffees now, so it'll taste really good with this. And let's take my favorite, Lindt. And this specific one is my favorite, Lindt Lindor, the red one. So sadly this Walmart did not have an international section, but anyways we got some stuff, so that's fine.
What plans?
Now to we have to take the Uber again.
Yeah, we'll take Uber to Yorkdale Mall.
Okay,
And
we'll
from
take-
there, we have to take a yellow line towards south,
Okay.
back to our house.
Plan change. We just decided to take a bus. I'm going to spend $15 extra. And also I'm hungry, so having some nuts. Let's go.
So it's all done. Let me just take this off. Again, got my shot. Okay, so it's 3 o'clock and we left our home at I think around 10. So it took almost like 5 hours. It took us more time only because of the commute. It was 1 hour away. It seemed like a long line just when we reached at the spot, but the line moved so fast and we were able to get vaccinated with no hassle at all. But let me just talk about the good and bad. So starting with the good stuff, yes, the line moved pretty fast, so that was a good thing. And inside as well, everything was well organized and everybody was socially distant. There were people who were sanitizing the chairs and everything as well. Everything is so centralized here. So just when they entered my OHIP card, the health card number, they were able to see that I had already booked my appointment for 31st of May. But that wasn't a problem at all. Even if you have your appointment booked, you can just walk into any clinic that's providing vaccinations to your postal codes. But the only thing that's very, very important is after you're vaccinated, make sure to cancel your previous appointment because then somebody else can actually book that time slot. So don't let that go waste and cancel your appointment for sure. And just after getting vaccinated, they said congratulations and they asked me to wait for like 20 minutes. So I was sitting there just to make sure you don't really feel dizzy or anything. Everybody was fine, and just after 20 minutes we came out and it was all done. That's it. And my next appointment is on September 6th now. So yeah, June, July, August, September. A little over 3 months, which is fine. Now let's talk about the bad things. So there are no bad things because everything was so well organized and I cannot even think of one reason why I would say it wasn't. So yeah, and also they give us a treat in the end too. They give us a chocolate as well. I really wanted to record this special day because this is the thing that's going to save us all. So again, that's my request to everyone who's watching. Please do get vaccinated if you can. This is very, very important. Don't worry about any side effects at all. And even Saransh asked the doctor there and he said it would be a minor, like maybe a body ache or something, and it doesn't happen to everyone. So in case it happens, he asked us to take a paracetamol, so that shouldn't be a problem. So yeah, that was it. Oh shit. Oh, I can now feel something, but it's not like very painful, but yeah, still a little. And let's all get vaccinated and crush COVID-19. We've had enough of this. I had no energy to really vlog right now, but I wanted to share this. I did not feel anything from 3 p.m. I think our food is here.
Yeah, you can talk.
Yeah, so
That was quick.
from 3 p.m. till 6 actually, I did not feel anything. But after that, I just felt that I wanted to rest. So yeah, I came on my bed, changed. I tried to do my editing, but I was not able to. But gradually, after like 8 o'clock, I started feeling very lethargic, dizzy. And also, yes, not to forget, it's painful now. It's paining. My arm is paining for sure. And I can feel that it's a little swelled up as well, which is fine. But if I don't move my arm, it's okay. But if I move it, it's painful, right?
Right.
How are you feeling?
My eyes are very heavy right now, and I have weakness also. My body is also hurting a little bit, so I had medicine, You also had.
Yeah, I had Dolo, so it's a paracetamol.
Yeah, we both had the same. I was not able to work as well.
You still
A
managed.
little bit, like 2 hours, that's it.
I know there's nothing to stress about. These are just minor things that I think everybody feels, and it should be okay by tomorrow.
Yeah.
So not a big deal, but yes, I have a headache. I don't have body aches, I have a headache. My arm is paining.
Luckily, we don't have fever.
Yes, and no fever as yet.
So it's all good.
Yeah, that's the best part. But we don't have any energy, that's for sure. That's why we both just ordered food, and because we cannot cook at all.
Right. But
So,
if given
yeah.
an opportunity, like what do you suggest to other people that one person
Yes.
should get
So-
vaccinated first?
Yes, if you have an option and if you're just a couple and there's nobody with you, I would suggest that one of you should get vaccinated first so that the other person can take care of you
Yeah.
and maybe even cook or whatever, do any household work
Right.
if needed, and then the other person can go.
Yeah.
We are managing, but then obviously if you can, do it.
Right.
And now let's
100%.
go. Feels like I have like a fracture. Like I can't move my arm. But anyways, let's go and have dinner. We have ordered red Thai curry as well as stir fry with rice. So I'm just going to enjoy some healthy food. There are a lot of veggies. That's why we ordered stir fry. Really good. And now we just have to wait for our second dose.
And we'll be very pumped up in the next vlog.
Yeah, I mean, you can totally understand. But it's okay. It's fine. We'll be fine.
Yeah.
Hey guys, good morning. Oh. I just thought to give you an update again. So let me tell you how I'm feeling now. So I slept well. I did not have any chills. I did not have any fever. I was just scared of that. But nothing of that sort happened. Not to me, not even with Saranj. But the only thing we both struggled with was sleeping on our left side. Whenever we were turning left, we could feel the pain, and yeah, we were careful about that while sleeping. Apart from that, nothing else. And today morning, I actually woke up with a slight headache, but I've had my coffee, I've had my breakfast, I took a shower, and now I'm feeling much better. So there's no headache now. I don't have any body aches, anything. I'm feeling completely fine, except one thing, that I still have slight pain on my arm, but it's still better than yesterday. Yesterday I was not able to move my arm, but today, you see the progress, it's better. But Saranj still is feeling a little lazy and weak, a little bit, not a lot. And also he has the same pain on his arm too. And also, if you get fever or anything, don't stress at all, because it's just a matter of 1 or 2 days and it'll be completely gone. And yes, me and Saranj, we both are doing good and we are healthy, and I guess the pizza that I had in the morning, that did the trick. I'm kidding. Anyways, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you know what you have to do. Please do like the video, please do that. And on this happy day, on this happy note, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. But please do subscribe, just don't go without subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.